Look out. Here comes the wind. Big time. Gigantic gust. This is as gusty as we've experienced, and you can see the remnants of the wind.
Residents of Denver live with the unpredictability of weather like we all do. They benefit from 300 days a year of sunshine. Even after some snow falls, it melts quickly because of the sun that is seemingly omnipresent here in Denver. But the wind can be a factor too. And the wind is what we are seeing now that we didn't see earlier. It was around 8 miles an hour at the start of the game. And it is 20 miles an hour now with gusts that are higher. A conversation in front of Varlamov by his teammates, and eventually we will resume. 2:27 left in the first half of the third period.